Hi friends, this is Savakoti Yalamanchari and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge Hacks. In my previous video, we will cover how to change the background of any image. But in this video, we will learn how to remove watermark or any text from image without any software. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit bell icon in order to get notifications of my future video, and also like and share this video. So let's begin. Let me show you the image where I can remove the text or watermark. From here I want to remove the text, that is Lee and Chris summer of 2001. Now watch the video carefully.